Hello YouTube, it's me again. As everybody jokes, Kawasaki Utah's garage. Because nobody can say Gunwell, Utah. Anyway, yeah, what do you call it? It's been a long day. I don't know what the hell to do. I'm like, I want to work on this Wilton and get some jaws made and probably screw the key in permanently. But I gotta get up early tomorrow, and I figure, you know what, just to clear my head and get some relaxation, whatever, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. Came to the garage to make a couple of videos. What the hell was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I like wearing Carhartt shirts because the mic. So normally I wear a Carhartt shirt. Also, my kids went apple picking, so got me a late night apple. They're I don't know what kind these are. Apparently there's no more Macintosh left here in Quebec. We're between, like, I don't know, I guess the beginning of September all the way to whatever frost comes. It's apple season. Fresh apples, fresh diabetes. What else? What am I planning on doing in my garage this week? This week, you're not going to see, this video is not going to be seen probably a couple of months. So it's basically, my videos are all a couple of months behind. So when you see this, it'll have happened 2 months prior, but I have a pile of boxes. Tomorrow I'm ordering tractor parts on a tractor site called Just 8 Ends. Apparently I own, well, not apparently, I own a Ford 2N tractor and a Ford 8N tractor. Got the 8N tractor not too cheap. It was like, I think it was like $1,000. And I wanted an 8N, I don't know what the hell for. I had a 2N. The 2N, I had it delivered from Ontario. I paid $750 for it. And it cost me like $700 to get it delivered by truck. And when it got delivered, like, the tractor trailer, when you looked out the window, it was like this big, and the frickin' tractor looked like a dinky on it. It was so, like, frickin' huge, the trailer. The guy would laugh. I was like, this truck? He says, yeah, luckily he had more stuff on the tractor. So that, I got to order parts for that. There's something wrong with the starter. So I got to call the place. The other thing I want to talk about, just on a random thing like this, I don't know if, like, the background looks better like this, or I kind of like it like this, but then I can't see anything on the bench. But then, seeing as I'm not looking at anything on the bench, well, makes sense to just leave the video like this. Bench is a mess. I haven't done anything. I gotta finish. I'm gonna evaporust the Wilton again, just to get the rest of the rust off. I got something in my eye. Christ, I don't know why my eye's like leaking here. I would like to make some some claws for Halloween. Yeah, I want to get the Wilton done. I don't think I'm going to mess with the body. I might do like Mr. Reynolds suggested, heat up the casting. I don't know how the hell I'm going to heat it up because I don't have a torch. But I got I'm thinking maybe, actually I do have a torch, I don't have any gas. So I'll have to bring it in and get some gas or heat it up with a acetylene torch and just try to braise it. It's a good skill, Lauren. Maybe I'll take the other Wilton over there and torch the shit out of the broken body and use that as a sample to mess around with. Who knows? What else going on? I have 192 subscribers as of right now. Maybe in 3 months I'll have 200, 300. Maybe in a week I'll have 200. Hopefully it'll be nice. 200? Yeah, it's been a while. And I don't know. I'm gonna think of something else to bullshit about and make another video. I like making small videos, and, you know, hey, I got a YouTube channel. I'd have more videos, but I had to, like, slow down the editing because I couldn't upload them all. So, and hey, got a motor mouth, love to make videos, right? Make videos, yeah. Anyway, like, subscribe, leave comments, and hey, if you don't like the videos, I like the videos. I can't please everybody, but you know what? We are what we are. I like some things, you like some things. It's all good. Enjoy, and thanks for watching, if you did watch it.